Hello, in this video I will show you the affiliate URL settings available in the Affiliate Press General Settings. The first option is Tracking Cookie Days. Here you can change the cookie duration. Now change the number of days and click the Save button. The changes have been successfully saved. Now go to the Frontend Affiliate Panel page. Open the Affiliate Links tab. Here, the affiliate user can see their cookie duration. Now go to the back-end side. The second option is Affiliate URL Parameter. Here you can change the affiliate URL parameter. Now update it and save the changes. Go to the front-end side and reload the page. Open the Affiliate Links tab. Here you can see that your affiliate URL parameter has been changed. Now go to the back-end side. The next option is Default Affiliate URL Format. Affiliate Press provides multiple URL formats. Change the default affiliate URL format and save the changes. The changes have been saved. Now go to the front-end side, reload the page, and open the Affiliate Links tab. As you can see, your affiliate link has changed and your username has been added at the end of the link. Now go to the back-end side and check the next option. The next option is Fancy Affiliate URL. Enable this option to create a clean and professional affiliate URL. Now save the changes and go to the front-end side and reload the page. Open the Affiliate Links tab. Here you can see that your affiliate URL style has changed.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.